Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make muffins at home in a microwave. Let's start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, have on hand 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 small egg. A dash of vanilla extract, about 1/4 teaspoon, will add a lovely aroma and taste to your quick treat. Now let's prepare our batter. First, in a medium-sized bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Make sure they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, oil, egg, and vanilla extract until smooth. Next, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir them together just until everything is moistened. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough muffins, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. Once you cancel, your Nitro benefits, like custom emojis and larger uploads, will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. For example, if you paid for a month, you'll have Nitro for the rest of that month. You won't be charged again for Nitro in any future billing periods. If you change your mind, you can always resubscribe to Nitro whenever you wish. Once cooked, carefully remove your hot muffin from the microwave. Be cautious, as the mug will be very warm. Allow it to cool for a few minutes before attempting to remove it or take a bite. This cooling period helps the muffin set and prevents burns. You can enjoy your delicious, homemade muffin plain, or add a sprinkle of cinnamon, a dollop of yogurt, or some fresh berries for an extra special touch. It's a perfect, quick treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.